it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another trucking video with Luis, aka Wolf Rider 750. We are in the Loves here, about to fuel up again. We're on our way to deliver that load we picked up in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, and heading to Bedford, Indiana. We're at Loves we need to put about, technically I was going to put 160 gallons, and that was more than enough to get us to where we need to get. But check the fuel prices, and it's cheaper here than going down, at least down the list when I go to my next load, which is going to Talladega, whatever, Talladega. Yeah, I think that's where I'm going. In Alabama. Anyway, just east of Birmingham. You guys can comment below what it's called. That's 400 miles, but I'm gonna go ahead and put fuel for the rest of this trip and our next trip, and I may have enough to even get home after that. Everything works out perfectly. If not, we'll put a little bit more tomorrow on the way home. But as soon as this gentleman moves out the way, because we are on a run. Right now we're estimated to arrive at around 1:20 p.m. That's and counting, because the longer I sit here waiting for people to get out the way and move out the line, the longer it's going to take me to get there. Now the trick is that I'm trying to get there without needing a 30-minute break, and hopefully I don't take it here, so I can deliver, which is the deadline's 3 p.m. there. But so we're still in good time there, and he's moving, and then we need to take a 30-minute break in delivery. That's my plan during delivery time, so my clock resets and I can drive the rest of the time we need to get to our pickup in Rockport, Indiana, and right there we'll do the long break if needed. What you doing, bud? What you doing? Alright. I'm gonna go put fuel. I'll catch you guys up in a little bit. What's up, guys? So got here to the scrap yard, as you can see. You can see the big forklift right behind us. Right behind us now. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, we're getting unloaded right now. We're very tight on time. We got, pull the clock here. We got 3 hours and 26 minutes on the drive time. GPS says about an hour and 55 minutes to get there. By another 5 minutes, so it's gonna leave me about an hour and a half, which is probably exactly very close to what I need to get to the truck stop that I want to get to. So what most likely is going to happen, there is a slight chance, or most likely I will have to do a 2-hour reset down there, get loaded, and kind of just sit until my clock resets. Yeah, so it pauses so I can go ahead and make it over there. So that's make it to a truck stop. It's the pilot where I stayed at a couple of weeks ago, actually. So that's what I'm trying to do. But right now we're just waiting to get unloaded. Actually, they got some military folks that come here and check you in, and they have to, I guess, spray some code on the crates as the guy unloads them. But it's not going very fast, and I waited about 25 minutes before he started. So the girl came real fast, signed my papers, came back to me. But this guy, you can see him right there. Yeah. Made me wait a little bit, so fingers crossed. Ooh, shake. Don't mess up my shit. It's picking up light ass crates with that big old thing and all, just long ass forks. So. Oh, phone's calling. Talk to you guys later. Sorry about that, guys. Quick phone call. I got to deal with that. But like I was saying, we're just gonna get out of here. He's almost done now. We got 2 more lines. Probably like 8 more crates, or 3 more trips to do. And we can get out of here. We're like tight on time right now. It says I'll get there about 3:26, and it's fine because the Rockport Rockport, Indiana, cliffs over there, there's coils. You've been there, you're flatbedder, you know what I'm talking about. You can only get there no earlier than 30 minutes, and you can't park in the yard either. You can't park in front of the entrance, even though they got the space, but you can't really park there. A few minutes you can, but not for a long period of time. So, but they only check you in if you're no earlier than 30 minutes from your appointment time, which I just got that confirmed. It is set for 4 p.m. They never called me back yesterday to confirm that's what they got. But yeah, it's set for 4 p.m. So my plan so far is that exact working position at this point. What I do gotta check is that I will be able to make it to that pilot. But I will have to wait about 2 hours and 20 minutes from the moment I go off duty when I get over there to pick up. So that's gonna be the deal, so I can make it to a truck stop by then. So I'm gonna double check that. We'll finish here and we'll head on running straight over there. So gotta go through this crap to get scaled out. It's a muddy freaking ass mess. Truck's gonna need a bath. Real bad bath. Scale. Gotta go inside some paperwork, then we can finally get out of here.
Turn right on I Street. Turn left on Indiana 58. Turn left on Indiana 58. In 2 miles, turn left on Indiana 37.
Tight ass turns, man. Tight ass turns. Little town.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Indiana 37. Turn left at the traffic light.
We got a new GPS also. I don't know if I said that on my previous video since they stole my Rap McNally. Went ahead and upgraded. Or changed, not I said upgraded, but yeah, kind of like an upgrade. To the Garmin. I'll give you guys a review of that soon. That's crappy change gears.